If you're facing a billing hold on your Venmo account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account notifications. Log into your Venmo account and check for any notifications or messages that explain the reason for the billing hold. This will give you insight into what needs to be addressed. Step 2. Update payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Clear any pending transactions. Review your recent transactions for any pending payments. If there are any issues, either complete or cancel these transactions to help lift the hold. Step 4. Contact Venmo support. If the hold persists, reach out to Venmo customer support through the app or their website. Provide them with details about your account and the issue for quicker assistance. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After following the previous steps, allow some time for Venmo to process your requests. Holds can take a few hours to a couple of days to be lifted, depending on the situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the billing hold on your Venmo account efficiently. If issues continue, consider reaching out to support again for further assistance.